Morning, guys. We are at the Victoria Monument in front of Buckingham Palace, and we're doing the changing of the guards as long as the weather lasts. There's open. It's something my mom always wanted to see, so last time I was here, I just didn't even really pay much attention to it, so I just kind of thought like I said, it was something she would want to do, so why not? It's like a 45-minute to an hour kind of thing, so it's not really late. I hope that wind is not messing this up. So yeah, we got a couple minutes. We got I think I got one. We'll see. Yeah, and then after this, we're gonna head over to the Soho area. There's a little place that I can get like afternoon tea for like £14, which is really not that bad. Yeah, so let's just chill and look at all the cool sights, huh? Alright guys, so that wasn't the place I originally intended on going to afternoon tea, but it was really worth it.
I think my mom would have really enjoyed it, especially the clotted cream. She had her thing with the scones, probably because we're Scottish. So yeah, now we're gonna hop back on the tube, head back so that we can get ready for the show tonight. Dream Girls, so excited. Alright guys, let's head back to the hostel. Alright guys, I'm all dolled up and ready to go to the show. I know I'm not gonna be able to film any of it. I'll take some pictures and stuff, everything I can, but this is just amazing. It's, I think I said to you guys, it is the first like Motown new musical. It and Phantom of the Opera are the first two that my mom ever played for me, and so the fact that I get to go see it as a tribute to her is amazing. I mean, she had the CD, not CD. She had the 8-track, the cassette tape, and the album, and would play them all the time. And so even before the Jennifer Hudson Beyonce thing, I knew all the lyrics. It's amazing. I can't wait to see it. I think it's a good way to tribute my mom. She would have loved to see it. So let's go see the show.